What's up, astronauts? Just signed up for your new Engine Mailer account and ready to start importing your subscriber list? You're in the right place. I'm Elizabeth, and I'll be your guide in this video. Engine Mailer lets you store unlimited subscribers, even on our free forever plan. There are plenty of ways to bring your contacts in, whether it's connecting a Google Sheet, using automation tools like Zapier, or scanning business cards with our AI-powered card scanner. Today, I'll walk you through how to perform a batch import, the easiest way to upload a whole list of contacts in one go. Let's dive in. From Engine Mailer's homepage, click on the Subscribers tab, then select Manage from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Subscribers page, click Add Subscriber. On the Add Subscriber page, click Batch Import. Before importing your contacts, make sure your CSV or TXT file is ready. When it's prepared, click Browse File, select and upload your file, and tick the checkboxes below to comply with our privacy and usage policies. Once done, click Upload File. On the Assign Subcategory tab, you can create and assign subcategories for your newly added subscribers. This helps you segment your list more effectively. In this example, we're adding these subscribers to our Members subcategory. Click Next once you're done. On the Map Column Data tab, match your data with the relevant fields. Engine Mailer will automatically map the fields, helping you build a meaningful and structured contact list, perfect for automation and email personalization. Click Next to proceed. In the final step, you'll be able to review your contacts. Engine Mailer will detect duplicate entries and invalid email formats during your imports. Click Show Me under each error type to view the details. To clean up your list, you can either click the Edit icon to update the information manually, or select Delete All Error Records to remove them from the list. Finally, click Import Subscribers to complete the process. A summary of your upload will be displayed under the Import Summary section, and you will be able to view the number of error details that have been corrected. You can return to the Subscribers page by clicking the back arrow at the top left of your dashboard, where you'll see all your newly added subscribers. And that's it! Now that you know how to import your email list, you're ready to launch your email campaigns and automations.